There you have the second stage aiming at the sun. And they're really moving quick away from the Earth. And we're going 27,000 kilometers per hour. So the distance that has been put between IMAP and SWIFO L1 is significant. We are at an altitude of roughly 5,000 kilometers.
Correct. And if you recall, we were looking at the altimeter there on the bottom right screen. We deployed SWIFO L1 about 3,800 kilometers. And so as we're on that escape trajectory I was mentioning earlier, we are seeing our altitude steadily increase as we move to the Carruthers spacecraft also being deployed.
Carruthers, separation confirmed.
Awesome. There we go.
That is cool. Carruthers separating, beginning its mission to capture the faint ultraviolet glow of Earth's outer atmosphere. All three released.
Yeah, congratulations to all three teams. I know this is a big day for all of them. And also congratulations to the LSP team and the SpaceX teams who worked tirelessly to get these missions off the ground. So kudos to all of them.
And the team for Carruthers now going to be very anxious as they look for their acquisition of signal. You know, because the spacecraft has to turn on and run a number of items. But I believe, based on the reaction in the room, they may have gotten it pretty quick.
They may
Let's
have.
listen and see if we get an update to the NLM, the NASA launch manager. Unofficially, it looks like they may have got AOS, but officially, we have not heard it yet on our nets. So we may have been seeing the reaction for the spacecraft separation.
To be almost the primaries. So I just want to give once again kudos to the team to getting this done. The team looked over almost 500 different requirement verifications. They had to get the mission off, so just think about that. 500 different requirements you got to verify.
That's a lot.
So yeah, big deal.
Yes, SWIFO L1 has telemetry at the MOX.
Excellent news. Congratulations.
We just heard confirmation from NASA launch manager Denton Gibson was given confirmation that acquisition of signal has happened for SWIFO L1.
Yep, congratulations to SWIFO L1. Big accomplishment there.
So it looks like everything was put into a good orbit. A great job by the second stage of the Falcon, Amanda.
Yeah, absolutely. It has been so exciting to see the successful deployment of IMAP, SWIFO L1, and Carruthers, and already the acquisition of signal for IMAP and SWIFO L1. Now, with these successful deployments, we will be signing off of our launch coverage from SpaceX in Hawthorne. You can follow NASA online to stay up to date on the 3 mission payloads aboard Falcon 9 today. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in, and it has been so great to join you, Daryl and Norman. And with that, we'll hand it back to you.
All right. Thank you very much. Great job, Amanda. And we will, say congratulations not only to all 3 spacecraft team, but also to Launch Services Program for, their insight and helping manage the spacecraft and launch vehicle, getting them to the pad.
Yeah, this was a journey, right? But this is a journey that had a really happy ending. So I'm really thankful we got to this point. And I want to thankful to all the people behind us that worked this mission that made this a reality. It's a great effort all the way around.
And I want to thank you, Norman, for sitting in this this hot seat right here.
It was fun.
Yeah,
it was fun.
it?
It was fun. It was fun.
Yeah.
Outside my normal day job, but it was fun.
Can we expect you back sometime?
You talk to my management. We'll see. See what they say.
Well, we really do appreciate it. You help give us great insight and knowledge about what's happening on today's mission, and that really helps the audience understand the importance of what we're doing. So sincerely, our thanks to you, Norman, for making our broadcast special.
All right. Happy to be here. It was fun.
All right, with that, we'll send it back to Megan and Kelly.
And speaking of NASA's launch services